Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia Optima 2015 to 2019 years. Okay, this UI interface, it built-in microphone and reset holds this SD card slot. It comes with special harness and compass box. This is compass box for Kia Optima. And this special harness, this main connector and come with this support factory camera. You can check this camera input and this camera plug. One camera plug. It supports factory backup camera. Okay, let me show it. You can choose a time. You can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Kia logo. Okay, change the logo. You can adjust the theme color. Any color you can adjust. Blue and red. Okay. All apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier, Bluetooth, and Google Maps, Google Play Store, and this is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Already built in the modem for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Just open the Z-Link app to connect Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, connected Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, and model is PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. Brightness, storage, you can check total 64GB. Okay, first let me introduce the Bluetooth. This device name and the pin number. Please disable or enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search button. Your phone will get the command. Please put 40, click OK. And connected show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works. Let me show the stream music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Volume. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. It's USB cable. There are two USB cable connect USB driver. You can play video. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, find the car setting, drum setting, turn on the watch video, and play video game. It's supposed to send some 4K demo video around the world. Okay, that's all. Thank you.